So the benefit to working with Tinkercad is you start with basic shapes, unlike some of the other CAD programs. So to create new shapes, you can group together some of the basic shapes they give you on the right to create something different. So over here on our work plane, you can see that we have two shapes over here, a box and a cylinder, and the cylinder is a solid, which is an orange color here. And over on the right, we have a box with a cylinder that is actually a hole, and you can tell because it has this kind of transparent look to it, and it also is indicated with these gray stripes. So it tells us to continue, and we want to group the shapes on the left to create one solid. So it says to select the box on the left and the orange cylinder, and the easiest way to do that is to click outside the two shapes, highlight both of them at the same time, and then we're going to come up to the top here and click on this button, which is to group, or we can use the quick keys, which is Control G. Once we group them together, you can see that they are actually one shape now because they are all highlighted in red. Now we click over to the next one, and it tells us to group the two shapes on the right. So again, we click outside the two shapes, drag across them both to select them both, and then click the group button to group them together. If we rotate our shape, you can see that because that shape was a hole, it has now created an empty space in the middle of this box, and that's all you have to do.